In today's volatile global economy, the industries that make, move, and sell the world's goods are under immense pressure. Persistent labor shortages, supply chain disruptions, and mounting economic and geopolitical uncertainty are testing these sectors like never before. Yet amid the turbulence, a quiet revolution is underway. Businesses are reimagining how they operate, connecting systems, automating workflows, and empowering their people through technology. The organizations that respond with agility will be the ones to best navigate these challenges. Technology is no longer a back office function. It's becoming the backbone of the frontline. The rise of the connected worker is reshaping productivity and responsiveness. Armed with AI, real-time data, and cutting-edge digital tools, these workers are becoming the connective tissue of modern operations. They're turning complexity into clarity and disruption into opportunity. They're not just adapting to change, they are driving it. To better understand this evolving landscape and bridge the gap between the worker experience and leadership decision-making, Epicor surveyed over 1,000 frontline workers in retail, manufacturing, distribution, and building supply across the United States, the United Kingdom and Ireland, Southeast Asia, Australia and New Zealand, and the Middle East. What we found challenges three major assumptions that many leaders still hold about their workforce. The first assumption is that workers are waiting for you to lead technology adoption. Here's the reality check. They're already leading it. 56% of frontline workers use AI applications daily, and they report that 73% of their organizations are seeing cost reductions. But here's the disconnect. Only 40% have formal AI training programs. Your workers are delivering results without your help, but imagine what they could accomplish with the right support. The highest AI adoption rates are at companies with 50 to just under 1,000 employees. They represent 54% of daily AI users. Instead of change management that does not include technology solutions, you should be asking which AI tools your workers can start using next week. This ability to implement quickly is what distinguishes agile leaders from those still stuck in planning mode. Let me give you an example. Frontline workers at alarm products distributors are readily adopting new technology because it's intuitive and significantly boosts efficiency in their inventory operations. The cloud-based system serves as the heart and soul of the business, enabling employees to act quicker, to transition faster, to close a sale faster, and to make decisions faster. The system's ease of use allows employees to quickly adapt and to make changes that further the business. The second assumption is that supply chain disruptions are hitting everyone equally. And that's just not the case. Our survey found a visibility divide where 45% of frontline workers share their organizations have full supply chain visibility and actively monitor all risk areas. However, 17% admit that they don't have a clear understanding of their operational blind spots. Here's where it gets interesting. Among those with full visibility, 69% use AI daily and 84% have realized cost reductions. Among those flying blind, 88% don't use AI and 89% have no plans to. To me, this isn't a coincidence. This is a new competitive advantage. And right now, 50% of your workers say tariffs and trade restrictions are pushing them into short-term reactive mode instead of long-term strategic planning. The companies that can see disruptions coming will dominate those that cannot. For example, Tufaloy uses a cloud-based manufacturing system to manage global supply chain disruptions. The solution oversees 5 international sites, gives real-time data on products and labor, and as a result, overtime costs have dropped by 50%. On-time delivery improved in Canada from 65% to 95%, and in the US from 80 to 92%. And that's boosted overall performance and responsiveness. The third assumption is that workers fear automation will replace them. Contradicting that, we actually found that 72% of workers want to grow with automation. Only 11% are actually concerned about losing their jobs to AI. The takeaway is that your workforce isn't afraid of the future. They just want you to better prepare for it. 66% said they'd work longer hours for extensive upskilling opportunities. They want to evolve. They want to get trained. They don't want to get left behind. This represents a massive opportunity for value creation. Real value happens when workers can increase their productivity, improve the quality of their work, and achieve faster time to value. The leaders that recognize this and invest in worker development alongside technology will outperform those still worried about resistance to change. For example, Fernware's adoption of cloud-based ERP and the Epicor product configurator highlights how upskilling empowers frontline workers. By automating repetitive tasks like order entry and manufacturing, the system speeds up order processing and boosts efficiency, enabling faster turnaround and transforming job roles for greater responsiveness. So, what does all of this mean for your organization? It means that this isn't just about AI adoption or supply chain resilience or workforce management. It's about creating truly connected workers. Employees empowered by technology to be more productive, more responsive, will be more valuable to your business. At Epicor, we conducted this research because we don't build technology based on vendor assumptions. We build based on what workers using technology every day actually need. The question that remains isn't whether your workers are ready for technological change. The question is whether your organization will support them or hold them back. We hope that these insights help enable you to implement targeted improvements that increase organizational agility.